Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to hear about an incredible cryptocurrency exchange called Pionex that actually has incredible advantages that can help you to maximize your profits. So whether if you're a beginner or an advanced trader, you should watch it until the end in order to benefit as much as possible from the crypto market. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Pionex? So Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that actually an open, organized marketplace that designed specifically for trading crypto, and one that offers free automated trading tools. You can find in here 16 free inbuilt trading bots that, as you all know, that there are a lot of trading bots that cost a lot of money. So you can see that it's a great opportunity, and if you will fill in your emails in here, you will be able to use that for free. They have several bots that you can actually use in order to make profit. So for example, you have the greed trading bot, you have the arbitrage bot, and also you have the rebalance bot that I will explain more in details about each one of them farther in the video. Now, Pionex is different from other exchanges in a lot of aspects, and the offering that actually sets Pionex apart from many other exchanges is its trading bots. It offers 18 different trading bots. Each one of them has different aspects that actually help you to make more profit with less effort because there are things there automated. So the main reasons that we should use trading bots when we're actually starting to trade, or especially if we're advanced, is that they allow for emotionless trading. And as you all know, that sometimes if we will do a decision based on our emotion, it can be great in our social life. But when you're talking about investing, it's important that we will do decisions and we'll do trading in a way that is not attached to our emotions. And actually, cryptocurrencies are violated and require emotional energy and stamina in the trading arena. And actually, trading bots keep human psychology out of the way. And as you all know, it's not that you always have a good day or a bad day. And by using a trading bot, you will have the possibility to trade no matter what day you've been through and enjoy the benefits of the trading arena. Now, bots can minimize tremendously the risk by making it easy to have diversified portfolio, and they also support discipline in trading. Bots operate on rules that provide consistency and steady performance. So for example, the greed trading bot that can make profits from the volatility with only 0.05% fee, and the bot can help you to auto buy low and sell high in the price range even when you are sleeping, working, or having a holiday. And the bot never stops. And the bot can also help you to buy the dip and earn more coin than holding. And greed trading bot profits from the ups and downs of the market, and you can set price range for the bot, adjust how many grids you want, and as long as the price stays within your setting range, the bot will always will apportion when the price goes a bit up and buy a portion when it goes a bit down. And it's perfect for the sideways fluctuated market. Now, the arbitrage bot is one of the very stable profit making strategy, and you can earn 15 to 50% APR with extremely low risk, and the bot utilizes the future market, which is powered by Binance broker system, to earn interest funding fee every 8 hours, and you can invest from $50 with no lockup period. So if you want a stable income with a very low risk every day, you can let the bot run with the money or cancel it to get the money back. And you can do that anytime you want without staking for months or years. And if you want, you can trade with USD, deposit, or withdraw using your bank account. And if you want to use this function, you need to install Pionex Lite app first. And you can do that by just clicking here and actually scan and then download the app. And the Pionex standard version only supports transferring cryptocurrencies, and this function is not available on all countries and regions. But as you can see in here, that you can actually change the currency settings, as you can see in here, to multiple currencies. And as you can see in here, you can also change the language if you want, and it's easier for you to read the website in a different language. And also you can see a lot of articles from the press in here. So if you want, you can actually get to their website by clicking the link down below, pionex.com, and you will get to here. Now, another great bot is the rebalancing bot, that if you are optimistic about multiple coins at the same time, you can use the bot to hold coins for the long term and actually gain value appreciation. And with the rebalancing condition, users can get extremely rebalanced from the exchange rate fluctuation between the tokens. And by the way, the process is very, very simple. All you need is to click in here on trade, okay? And then you can choose which trading bot you want to use, or you can do also manual, and then you just write in here what you want to do, and of course that you decide the action that you want. So for example, buy, sell, or swap. And actually you can put here and you can choose the option, for example, to limit, market, grid, and all of that. If you want to use a bot, so you can click in here. Now if you want to put, let's say for example, this amount, so you decide how much in BTC you want, and of course that you can also change the percentage in here. And when you will click on buy, you will be able to make the option that you wanted. All you need is first of all to sign up. And if you already sign up, just to sign in. And by the way, there are a lot of exchanges and marketplaces that taking a lot of trading fees. But the beauty in is that Pionex charges the lowest trading rate, which is 0.05%, which is incredible. And when you are doing multiple actions and you're doing multiple tradings, those fees add up to a big number. Now, another incredible thing about this marketplace is that you can see that they have incredible security, and if you want, you can see and read about all the details in here. And also you can see reviews from different people that actually use it. And by the way, if you will have any questions, you are more than welcome to use their support or to get into one of their communities and actually take part of this incredible communities and ask your questions. And that way you will be able to educate yourself and maximize the chances that you will make some profits. So for summary, if you want to start trading or you are an advanced trader and you want to make this process much easier, simpler, and much more automated, and most importantly with lower risks, make sure to go and check it out, Pionex, by clicking the link down below and go through all their website to understand exactly how you can actually enjoy all the benefits that they are offering you to make as much profits as possible. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.